In today's video, I'll show you how to use Acuity Scheduling for medical appointments step by step. If you run a clinic or healthcare practice, this setup helps you manage patient bookings, staff calendars, intake forms, and payments all in one system. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Now let's start with compliance. If your practice handles patient data, you need to enable HIPAA-related settings. This requires upgrading to a supported plan and signing a Business Associate Agreement, also known as a BAA, inside your account settings. Once that's done, move to the Calendar setup. Go to Business Settings and open Calendars. Here, create separate calendars for each practitioner, nurse, or location in your clinic. This helps you control availability and prevent scheduling conflicts. Next, set working hours for each calendar. You can define shifts, breaks, lunch hours, and unavailable time so each staff member has a clear schedule. Now go to Appointment Types. Create different types of medical visits such as initial consultations, follow-ups, or telehealth sessions. Set appropriate durations for each service and add buffer time if needed so staff have time to prepare or clean between patients. You can also mark certain appointment types as private if they should not appear publicly on your booking page. Next, set up intake forms. Go to Intake Forms and create a new form to collect patient details, such as medical history, insurance information, and other required fields. Make sure important fields are marked as required so patients complete them before confirming their appointment. After that, customize your booking page. Add your clinic branding, adjust the layout, and enable automated email or SMS reminders to reduce missed appointments. Now embed your Acuity Scheduling page into your clinic website using the Embed code or booking button so patients can book directly online. Finally, test your system by making a sample booking to ensure appointments, notifications, and intake forms are working correctly from start to finish. And that's it. You've successfully set up Acuity Scheduling for medical appointments and created a smooth, automated booking system for your clinic. And that's how you use Acuity Scheduling for medical appointments. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.